Now he's all tensed up. I wish I would have got that first strike.
Yeah, I got it. She smacked him, boy.
She's about to get him again, too.
Look at her.
Oh.
And see, it's like you were saying before, animals, like, she doesn't know whether he's venomous or not either. So,
so she's just trying to get rid of him. Oh. Got him, boy.
Go on and leave him alone. Go on and leave him alone. He wasn't hurting you.
Come here, cat.
You ain't got no kittens. And cats are vicious, boy.
She sniffed him, too.
I wish he'd pop her one time. That would be hilarious.
She's just fucking with him. Hey,